Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeff is back with another video. If y'all saw my a post a few days ago, I am being sponsored by a new sponsor. I only have a couple of people that I actually believe in on food-wise. You know, my Cavernous Greek seasoning, my Uncle Steve shake. I believe in them. I've been using Cavernous, you know, since I was 20 years old. And my Uncle Steve shake that I put my name on, I've been using for the last couple of years. So I'm bringing on another product. It's Southern Biscuit Mix Formula Ale. I've had this many years ago, and I've eaten it lots and lots of times. Matter of fact, there's a restaurant in Waco where I grew up in. It's not there anymore. It used to call it the Tanglewood Cafe. Tanglewood Farms. That's what it was called. They use this as their biscuits. I didn't know this till years later. I thought they were the best homemade biscuits I ever tasted in the world, and this is what they was using. So and they also make great pancake mix, which I'm gonna do a video later on about this. So this is what I'm gonna be using pretty much a lot for my biscuits. I never thought I'd be using any kind of mix to make biscuits and stuff like that, but now this is gonna be one of the items I use. Hold on just a second. Alright, y'all, I'm back here. Okay. Like I was saying, I want to be using this a lot in the next few months and weeks and months, and just to show y'all how good a product this is. One thing I like about this product, it has butter cut up in this, which makes it so buttery and so flaky that it's amazing. And when I put the post up, I saw a lot of people use this already. Like I said, and I was very apprehensive of using this, but I actually believe in this product. Like I told y'all, I don't just promote anything to be money hungry and stuff like that. That ain't me. I will not ever tell y'all to use something that I don't actually 100% believe in myself. And this is one item I actually believe in. So, and a lot of people ask where you can get it. I see it on Amazon, but it's very expensive on Amazon. I'm in the KATY, Houston area. You can get it at some Walmarts have it, I see. Of course, I can get as much as I like gonna be sent to me, so that's a little advantage with me. But I hear that you can get it online in a lot of supermarkets, but here in the Houston area, I think you can go online and look that a lot of Walmarts. I know here in KATY, I think a couple of Walmarts have it, but in the Houston area, I think Walmarts have it. And they say it's in the, I guess the section where the biscuit mix and stuff is in the store. I never look for it in the store. I have it sent to me. So, but anyway, let's get started here, and I'm gonna try to go according to the recipe on the bag. Just say it makes a couple of dozen biscuits, so I think it say 3 cups. So I'm gonna make about 3 cups out of here. Matter of fact, at least get 3 cups. I think it's 3 1/4 cups. Anyway, we'll make that this much, a little bit more. Okay, set this right here. And all they call for is, like I say, it's just buttermilk. I'm gonna use whole buttermilk and the biscuit mix. Mix it together here. And like I say, what I like about this, it has that little butter flakes in it. And this is just like any other, just like you making real homemade biscuit. You don't want to over mix it. That's pretty much it, y'all. Pretty much it. Now, I'm gonna put my flour here. Put buttermilk up. Put too much buttermilk. Let me put a little bit more in. Right. Okay. You can see the butter. Let me close up on the, see if y'all can see that. Get a little closer here where y'all can see y'all can see the butter, your little yellow butter chunks in there. That's what makes it so buttery and flaky. So now I'm gonna put some flour here on my counter here. Let me get my, hold on y'all, let me get my rolling pin. Okay, it's like making a regular biscuit, y'all. Gonna put it on here, we're gonna knead it a little, and that's gonna be pretty much it. Okay, put it in there. A little bit more flour on here. That's how I use biscuit mix then. And we're gonna kind of knead it over here. I usually use my gloves for this, but mine ain't with me today. Just kind of fold it over like you do any other kind of biscuit. Key is you don't want to over knead it. And that's it. Let me clean my hands off here. Okay. Put a little flour on the top here, and then we're gonna roll it out. I don't like to roll my biscuits out too thin. I like a bigger biscuit. It all depends on you. If you like a higher or thinner biscuit, that's about as thin I want them right there. Okay. Now, all we're going to do is cut them out. Get this out the way here. Put my hand right here. I'm just going to cut them out, y'all. Like any biscuit. You can tell how light they are. I can tell right now how light and fluffy these things going to be. And I like to put mine together. If you don't, it's up to you. But I like to put my biscuits close together. I like that lot of moist biscuit inside as they're cooking. Cut a couple more out of here. Yeah, you can see them butter flakes. Cut up butter in here in these things, y'all. Okay, we're gonna put these two together here and see how many we get out of here. Try not to knead them too much. Roll them back down here. Get a couple out of here. Here, right there. And get one more out of here, y'all. Just say waste not, have not, right? All right, that right there. Now, put them in the pan here, and I'm gonna put them in the oven. Usually biscuits I used to cook everything on 350. I ain't gonna be no different with these. Right here, be no different with these. 350 degrees for about 10 to 15 minutes. And I'll let y'all know exactly how long it takes. But I'm going to do 350 about 10 to 15 minutes. We'll come back and I'll show you how it is. We'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we are back and there they are. It took about 12 minutes on 350 degrees. And they are ready here. And give me a second here. I want to get me some, I guess I'll get some butter, y'all. A little butter here. I could do jelly. At the time I'm making this recipe, it's not morning, it's nearly nighttime. So I'm gonna get a little bit of butter here and we're gonna try one of these out. I'm gonna get one here off the edge. And this definitely reminds me of Tanglewood Farms in Waco. It definitely reminds me of that restaurant. Move this around, put this here. Y'all can see, yep. Open this up. Oh yeah. You see how fluffy these are? Wow. And you can see that butter in there, y'all. And I'm going to put some more butter in here, y'all. And we're going to try this. little bit more butter in here. You never have too much butter on a biscuit, right? Right, y'all? Okay. Okay, let's see what we got here. Oh my God. So fluffy, it's gonna fly out of my hand. They're good, y'all. Very good. You actually don't need butter in them. I actually have to put that extra butter. But you can taste the butter in there, the little butter flakes I showed you. Wow. Very good, y'all. Like I say, I definitely stand behind this. Y'all know I don't use a lot of mixes, a lot of store-bought things. But this one I've been contemplating for within the last year. I've had this many times before, and they fooled me. I didn't know there was biscuit mix. Very good. Very light. And go with the directions on the bag. Let me get the bag here again. Let's see. They say 3 1/4 cups of buttermilk. 3 1/4 cups of the biscuit mix and 1 1/4 cup of buttermilk. That's it. That's the recipe. And I'll still put it in the description box. But to use the recipes on the bag, and like I say, you can get this in the Houston, KATY area. You can get it at Walmart. Some Walmarts have it. And some people talking about having to buy it on Amazon and all that, but I think it costs like $6 something on Amazon, y'all. But Walmart, I think it's $2 and something, maybe $3 a bag. So, anyway, hope y'all enjoyed this little video. A little different, but I'm going to be doing a couple more recipes. I'm going to create some more from this. I got a real creative recipe. I'm going to be doing pancakes. I'm going to do some cobbler with it. I'm going to do some dumplings with it. So, I'm going to play around with this and kind of create it and see what I can come up with this. It's a really time saving too, so it's really good for people that's really busy. It's a really time saving item. So anyway, remember the hashtag 2021 help somebody, old school soul food. Please follow my other social media accounts: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitch TV, and Twitter, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Until next time, have a blessed old school soul food day. Remember, help somebody, old school soul food. See y'all next video. Love y'all. Bye.